Hey everybody, John here for Boomer Life. I'm out in the messy garage and I'm going to do a short video on an item that I purchased. What I have here is a jointer. It's a woodworking tool and I got it off of Facebook Marketplace for $250. It's used, it's King Canada, it's not the greatest brand, but for what I'm going to use it for, it is perfect. So basically what a jointer does, it prepares wood for if you're making a tabletop. And it makes it so there's no seam in between the wood. So when you're gluing the pieces together to make a tabletop, there's no seams. And that's what this machine does. So right here is the infeed table, and this is the outfeed table. This is the guard, and that's the blades in there. Now the outfeed table stays the same. This here is the adjustment. You loosen this here, and you put it to the amount that you would like taken off. Usually you start at 1/32. See how that goes. And you tighten this up. And now what that did was raise or lowered this table to 1/32 that's going to be taken off. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is get a square that's 90 degrees. And make sure that this fence is exactly 90 degrees to the outfeed table. So no gap in there, that's perfect. Try it this way too, perfect. Now I'm just going to use no 2x4 here, and I'm going to joint a surface. First of all, put our PPE on, hearing protection. Okay. Put the wood there. See, it's taken off some of the wood. Okay, now that we have this side nice and smooth, you have a flat surface to put against, adjust this, put against your fence. Now that you have a flat surface, you want it sound good. So I did a boo-boo. I did not check out this old 2x4 before I put it through the jointer. Right here, there's a screw there and a screw there. How the hell did I miss that? So basically what that did, let me unplug the machine. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Probably down there more. My cutting knives. Yep, right there. Yeah, it screwed up some of the knives. Probably that one and part of that one. So what do you do in that case? So the good thing about these kind of blades, when you do a boo-boo like that, it happens, that these blades are just single little ones instead of one big straight blade. So use T25. Make sure your machine's unplugged, which I did earlier. If your blade is screwed, you replace the whole thing. If not, some of these you can flip around. There it is. And that's the good side. This only has two good sides. The some of them, I believe, have four sides, so you can use them. You can screw them up 4 times. Now, you put this back in. Get her nice and tight, and that side is good as new. It might be good to invest in a pack of new blades. especially me, the way I've been going. Now that you have a flat surface, put it up against the fence. So basically now what you have is this flat surface, and this here is 90 degrees. You get the other piece of wood that'll make your tabletop, glue them together, and there'll be no seam in between. Okay, so here are two pieces that I've done. As you can see, when you put them together for gluing, that's perfect. No seam whatsoever. Hopefully when I make the tabletop for my wife, I won't be screwing up that much. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, like it and subscribe it. Share it if you want. Anyway, this is John for Boomer Life. Thank you for watching.